Hi my busy bumblebees, this is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Today we're gonna make a healthy snack for you and your family. You will need a cutting board, plastic knife, 6 skewers, a cup, different fruits, and when we're done we'll open that Kinder egg. We're going to put 6 skewers in the cup. Make a little hole, turn it around, and push it all the way down so it touches the table. Repeat the same thing for the rest of them. You can use any fruit that you have in the refrigerator, but make sure you have enough for 6 skewers. Let's cut the strawberries in half. Take a plastic knife in your hand and make sure your pointer finger is on top of the knife. Don't push on the knife. Use your arm and move it up and down, up and down. Let's count to make sure we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's put them on the skewer. Hold the skewer with one hand and with the other put your fruit on. I will take 3 grapes next. If I cut them in half, how many will I get? I will get 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's put them on. Go slowly, make sure you don't poke yourself. I will do the tangerine next. I will use my thumb to peel it off. Use your pincer grasp to peel all the skin off. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Raspberry. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Don't forget to use 2 hands. If you have more space on the skewers, you have to keep going. Don't stop. What a beautiful, healthy snack that we made together. Let's open that Kinder egg now. It's a girl. Thanks for playing with me today. See you next time. Bye.